Syma X5c quadcopter, and it's a bit windy out here, so we're going to test it out in the wind and see how it's going to fly. Okay, here it is. We just got it. I put a tape to hold the door in for the camera and the battery because it just keeps falling out. Okay, it looks like we have a very strong wind. Because the wind is it's fighting against the wind right now, but it's not doing bad. I'm flying against the wind because I don't want to lose it. Uh-oh. Oh my God. I think I may have just flown it into some water. Now the wind speed has reduced. But it's still there. It's amazing how fast this thing can go. That tells you how fast you can lose it. People, a good quadcopter is fun to fly.